viewers, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while since I last recorded a live video and shared with you. So today I'm going to enter a few trades whilst you guys are watching. Okay, so let's get ready. So as you can see here, I have a signal which is a sell signal, as you can see, and let's prepare to enter it. Okay, so we just entered the sell signal, as you can see right here on Euro USD. So when you get the signal like this, you enter it right at the beginning of the next new candle, as you can see. Okay, so let's wait and see if we are going to win this trade. So far it looks like we are in a loss, but let's wait for the candle to close, and then we see here we had a buy signal and it made a draw here, as you can see. Here we had a sell signal and we made profit. Here we had a sell signal and we made profit on the next new candle. So this is how you use the indicator, guys. Okay, we just made a profit. The trade just won, as you can see. We entered our trade here at the beginning of the candle and we made profit, guys. So now let's wait for another signal. Let's patiently wait for another signal. Let's patiently wait, guys. Let's wait for another signal and we enter it. We are still waiting, guys, for a signal. Let's wait. Okay, so we just got a signal. Here it is. It's on USD JPY. So let's open USD JPY and let's make sure we prepare to enter the trade right at the beginning of the candle. Okay, I think we did great there. We entered right at the beginning of the new candle, as you can see, and our trade is going in profit so far. That's the signal, sell signal, and we entered on the next new candle, as you can see. Here we had a signal and we lost it there. That one was a loss. Here we had a sell signal which came on this dodgy candle and we entered it right here and we won. Here we had a buy signal and we won it. So this is how you use this indicator, guys. When you get a signal, you enter at the beginning of the new candle like this, as you can see. So let's wait for this one to close and see if we make profit. Voila, we just made profit, guys. We just won, as you can see. Okay, all right, so now let's wait for another signal. Let's wait for another signal. Please, guys, if you want to talk to me, you can click the link in the bio below. There's my Telegram and my WhatsApp number, as well as my email address. So let's wait for another signal, guys. We are still waiting. We are okay. We just got a signal. Let's open it and see. Okay, there it is on Euro JPY. Let's open Euro JPY and prepare to enter our trade. Okay, I think we entered right at the beginning of the candle. Oh yes, you can see that. You can see that. It's a good entry, guys. It's a sell signal from Euro JPY. This is the sell signal that we got, and we entered here at the beginning of the candle. Here we had a signal and we entered it there, but okay, there we had a signal, but this one was a loss. Now we lost this one. This was a loss. Okay, here we had a buy signal and it was in profit, and then here we had a buy signal and we made profit. So let's wait for this signal, guys. Left with a few seconds to close. It's left with a few seconds to close, and it just closed in profit. Okay, so this is our third signal, guys. As you can see, it's clearly deep in profit. This was our third signal, guys. Our third signal of the day. It's from Euro JPY. Okay, so we also had a signal on USD JPY and it made profit, and the first one was on Euro USD. So let's go back to Euro JPY and wait for another signal, guys. We are waiting for another signal in this live session. Let's wait. Okay, we are still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Finally, okay, we just got the signal. So it's a sell signal and our first signal from GBP JPY. So let's prepare to enter it. Let's prepare to enter it. Okay. It's a bit tricky, but we just entered it. Okay, we entered it right at the beginning of the candle. This was our first signal right here on GBP JPY, and we entered it on the new candle, as you can see. So far it's going in loss, but let's wait and see if we win it or lose it. I told you guys, this signal, it looks a bit tricky. It looks like a breakout is about to take place. We have passed half of the candle life, half of the expiry time, and we are still in loss. This one looks tricky, guys. Let's see. This one looks very, very tricky. It looks like we are going to lose this one. It's still in loss, guys. Okay, profit, loss, profit. Let's see. Oh, okay, the trade closed as a draw. It means we did not make a loss and we did not make a profit, as you can see. So thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. See, this is the signal we entered. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you next time.